Okay, situation here sa Lumtrit Chinese Dyan. Ayan, sarado na. From galing ka ng Manila, Aurora, papunta ka ng E-Road, pasok ka daw dito. O dito. Tapos labas mo dun.
Alis na kayo dito. Bababa lang kayo.
Yan. Kanan dyan. Kaliwa, labas dun. Bukas mas traffic na to. Okay, puntahan natin si mother-in-law. Okay, 23.75 kilometers at 9:30 in the morning. Whew, init. What a journey from Solis to power plant, then to EDSA, Shangri-La, then Shaw, Santa Mesa, Nagtahan, pabalik. That's 24 kilometers. Hopefully 25 pagdating ng bahay. Okay, see you and thank you for following. Bye. Peace. Ayan, medyo dito kasi bawal lang nasakyan pagdating doon. Okay, see you. Thank you.